how to care for your aligners. Your new aligners will need to be worn at least 22 hours per day. The only time that you should remove your aligners will be when you're eating or having a hot drink. Otherwise, your aligners must stay over your teeth and in place. This is really important, and this is the key factor to having a smooth treatment time and an amazing result at the end. It's really normal that when you first pop your aligners in, they feel very tight, and then throughout the week they will feel like they're loosening. Don't worry, they're still working and taking effect, but it's just as the teeth are moving, the aligner becomes more passive. You can remove your aligners and brush as normal, which is a really nice benefit to having aligners. But it's really important that you brush after you've eaten something. What you don't want is the debris from the food to be sat in the pits of your teeth, and then you go and put the aligner over. It can make it not smell very nice, discolour your aligner, and inevitably increase the risk of things like caries. You can also clean incidentally, so using TP brushes or floss is a really good thing to do to keep on top of your dental hygiene. Also, some patients find that from time to time they can pick up a bit of extra staining around where the attachments are placed. Brushing is usually enough to reduce this. However, if you do find it increases quite a lot, you can always visit your dental hygienist who will be able to remove any staining for you. All of your aligners will be given to you at today's appointment and will all have numbers on them. The dental monitoring app will let you know when you can move on to your next aligner and which aligner number you should be in. We find it really useful if you keep all of your aligners, just in case you ever need to go back to previous aligners. Keep them in the case and keep them in the box altogether. When you're popping your aligner in, it's really important that you make sure the plastic is sat nice and flush to the tooth. This will ensure that the aligner is able to move the tooth into the desired position. A key element to treatment are these little things here called chewies, okay? They will massively increase your chance of having a smooth treatment time and an amazing result. Use them every time you pop your aligners in, along with about 15 to 20 minutes a day, just to help that aligner sit really well. Now, if there's ever an area that we are concerned about, if the plastic is not seated on the tooth fully, we will notice on your dental monitoring scan, and we will ask you to use your chewies additionally in this area. So don't worry, we're keeping an eye on everything and we know how that aligner is seating. To use your chewies, you just pop the chewie in, make sure you hold onto an end and just bite as you go along, nice and firm all the way around. Just to really push that plastic. You'll feel it pushing up and feeling nice and snug. When you're removing your aligner to take it out, it's always crucial you get as far back as you can. If you pull from the front, you'll find you get a lot more resistance and you can also damage the aligner. I find with a lot of my patients, they like to take their index finger and go on the inside edge to flick that down. And again, the other side to kind of flick it down, and you can use your finger and thumb then to pull it out. And again, on the lowers, you can go from the inside edge, or if not, the outside is a bit easier as well, just to pop it out. We'll also provide you with something called aligner outies, and they're little hooks that can help as well, just to pop them in and out. Don't worry, before you leave, we will make sure that you're competent taking them in and out. Always keep your aligners in the case that we provide for you. They're clear, so they're really easily lost. A common one we get is dogs love to eat them, and also restaurant bins. So you go to a restaurant, pop your aligners out, pop them in a napkin, table gets cleared. No one wants to be rifling through restaurant bins trying to find your aligners. So just keep them in the case and they'll stay nice and safe. To clean your aligners, we recommend cold water only for the exact same reason as to why you don't drink hot drinks with them. We don't want to distort the plastic in any way. You can also use cleaning tablets, so Invisalign provide their own cleaning crystals, or you can also use Fresh and Go as an example, or Retainer Bright. We will again give you some little samples of these so you can see if you like them. Alternatively, you can just use a sort of natural hand soap with some cold water and just a small toothbrush just to keep them clean. By using the dental monitoring app, you will know when to change your aligners. So that will guide you when to change. It will also let you know if any of the little attachments have popped off your teeth, or if we think your aligner's not fitting so well and we'd like you to use chews a bit more in that area. It's an amazing tool to use, and you're getting a weekly appointment checked by a clinician to kind of see how your treatment is progressing. You can also pop us any questions and additional photos on that dental monitoring app. We look forward to seeing you here for your treatment of aligners, and if you have any other questions, please ask in the comments below.